In today's deliberation, the explosion in Ibadan was raised, and the government sympathized with the victims and the very good people of Oyo State. And currently, investigation is ongoing to find out the real cause of the blast and to see how best we can prevent it happening in the future. After that, there is the issue of environmental protection, as well as mining areas protection and forest protection were discussed. And a committee was set by Mr. President that includes all the security agencies, Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Solid Minerals.
Rising cost of goods and services in the country, as well as the rising cost of doing business in Nigeria. And also noted the excitement and optimism of the real sector that the renewed hope agenda will bring a prosperous 2024. We deliberated on how we can actually improve the manufacturing, the ease of doing, improve the business environment for manufacturers and industrialists.
Discussed at the council, at the Federal Executive Council meeting today, all geared towards improving the welfare of Nigeria and Nigerians. One of the major issues discussed was the issue of double taxation, all with a view to encouraging foreign direct investment. This time around, it's about the relationship between Nigeria and the United Arab Emirates. You recall that a while ago, just I think about 3 or 4 weeks ago, the president was in United Arab Emirates. And one of the matters that came up for discussion and negotiation was the issue of the agreement for the elimination of double taxation with respect to taxes on income and prevention of tax evasion and avoidance. Council noted that the agreement between both countries, that is between Nigeria and the United Arab Emirates, include personal income tax, company income tax, petroleum profit tax, information technology, levy, tertiary education tax, and capital gain tax. Because of the effect of this cooperation or the benefits that will accrue to Nigeria, the council agreed and directed that the agreement that had been signed already should be taken further by mandating, authorizing the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice to prepare a bill along this line to take to the National Assembly for ratification. The effect of this is that it has ceased to be an ordinary agreement, but an agreement between two countries. Other countries will follow, but the one that we immediately leverage on is the one between Nigeria and the United Arab Emirates. Apart from this one, Council also decided that going forward, we should also have a very solid national policy on taxation that will drive or attract foreign investment. So on the part of the direct foreign investment, this was what was discussed and decided at the Federal Executive Council. Thank you.
The federal government today approved the group life assurance for all federal government staff as submitted by the head of service. About 12 companies were involved, Nigerian insurance companies were involved, and about 9.8 billion naira was approved by council to settle the group life assurance claims.